everyone, this is Bernadine. I'm so excited about my breakfast today, and I'm excited about sharing my breakfast with you guys today. This is a simple breakfast, but it's packed with minerals and vitamins and nutrients that's gonna give our body a boost to start our day. As we know, breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. It's very important because when we eat breakfast, this is what's going to give us the energy to go through our day. And when we eat a nutritious breakfast, it will actually protect us from disease and viruses. So, let us start breakfast. The first thing I'm going to use is pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the fruits that I really enjoy when it is in season. You know that in heaven there will be pomegranate. It seems like God just packages fruit with a whole lot of antioxidant and vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, fiber. So you can see God really packaged this fruit with a lot of good benefits for us. The next ingredient that I'm using is orange, and orange is also packed with micronutrients and vitamin C and potassium and protein. As a matter of fact, when you drink 1 glass of orange juice in the morning, you're actually getting 112 grams of calories. For those of you who are counting calories. The next ingredient I'm using is pumpkin seeds. And pumpkin seeds is rich in vitamins and minerals. But one of the good benefits of using pumpkin seed, it has zinc. Zinc is a mineral that helps the immune system to fight bacteria and viruses. It also has protein, fiber, omega-6, iron, copper, poly, and unsaturated fatty acid. So, enjoy your pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds also help get rid of parasites in your body. The next ingredient I'm using is walnuts. And walnuts is very good for our heart, but it's also very good for our brain. It has omega-3 fatty acid, and it has protein, magnesium, fiber, and also antioxidant. The next ingredient that I'm going to use is hazelnut. Hazelnut is also packed with vitamins and minerals. It has magnesium, copper, manganese, phosphorus, and zinc. The next 2 ingredients that I'm going to use is dates and prunes. They are both high in fiber, and it does have some sugar in it, which will give us the energy to go through our day. Now I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. And what I did was I cut up my oranges in bite-sized pieces, and I also cut the prunes and the dates in small pieces, and I removed the seeds. You can see all the ingredients, how it's colorful and it's beautiful. When we eat like this, we are actually glorifying God, because He said, whatsoever we eat or drink, do all to the glory of God. So let us give God the glory and also give Him the thanks and praise for the blessings that He gives us every day. To me, this is eating from God's hands, because God knows just what's good for our body. That's why He packaged our food in its natural state with all the right amount of vitamins and nutrients that's going to give our body good blood to be able to function properly. The Bible also said, the life of the flesh is in the blood. So, whatsoever we eat, it should give us good blood to be able to have healthy bodies. May God bless you as you continue to do the best for you and your family. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you and have a good day.